Alright guys, we're gonna do a little trade recap, a little market recap too. First, let's talk about market. I mean, look at this playing out to perfection. I think I showed it to you guys maybe a few days ago. And overall, how this is exactly what we want to see. We want to see the big displacement move to the market structure shift. Whoops. The big market structure shift. And then you get the rebalance, and you get the sell-off again, the continuation down. I mean, look how the standard deviation level lines up perfectly. But we don't got to talk about that. But model's looking good. Would like to see some rebalance maybe in tonight, tomorrow, before we sell off again. But yeah, so this trade, we were in my Discord together. There was like 5 of us, and I didn't like tell them or alert them because I took it on demo. I didn't take it on my eval or anything like that. I was just kind of testing the model and stuff like that, and I didn't want to alert them a trade that I wasn't taking on my real account, if that makes sense. But it was overall, it was a very clean trade looking back on it, and I'll show you why. There's many reasons why this trade's clean. First reason why is we finally get the sell off overnight, so we expect to retrace a little bit. But where are we going to retrace? Probably into an hourly fair value gap. It's also a 15-minute fair value gap. That's the real imbalance right there. And so you have these highs right here. So essentially it's going to be turtle soup. So you come up and you have the turtle soup. Now one of the guys in the Discord entered early. He entered off the turtle soup, which isn't a bad entry because sometimes price will come up here, take this, and sell straight back off. But me, I would like to have a little more. I need to see a little more before I'm going to enter a trade. So you have the turtle soup, you come up, you have a stop rate, and the stop rate was excellent. And he was the stop rate. He knew it and he learned from it. So you have the stop rate, and you have another SMT get created from this high to this high. Now, I want to see this SMT hold. Whoops, wrong thing. I've been right on 18. So I want to see this SMT hold. So we don't even need to look at NQ anymore. It's all ES. Now, we have 2 generated lows. You have right here and you have right here. I don't care about going lower at all. I mean, look at price. It's just chopping. But, so the entry is, so the price starts to respect this hourly fair gap right at the end. As you see, we went above it and then we came back down. We have SMT, we have a stop rate, we have turtle soup, sell side or buy side taken. We have generated lows. So what is going to confirm that this SMT and this model is going to play out? A disrespect of a bullish confluence right there. But we don't disrespect it yet. I enter off this candle close and I get my fill right here. Not a bad fill. Stops above here because I don't expect price to go above the inverse. So you have the market structure shift while also getting the inverse disrespect. As you can see, this inverse did hold some power. This fair value holds some power until it didn't. Price sells straight off. Now, what did I do wrong here? Right around here, I sold everything. Right when we, probably right at this wick right here. And this was something I needed to learn for, but there was a reason for that. And the reason for that is because we were creating an imbalance. So we had a big 1-minute imbalance, as you can see, that I expected price to go back to, and I didn't want to get stopped out, but I didn't need to have my stops up here. So the problem was I should have waited for the 5-minute fair value up to build, to form. I didn't wait. I closed it early before this next candle, and the next candle goes straight to TP. It's a green day. It was a good demo win, but I sold early. It's okay. I mean, nothing's wrong with selling. I mean, there is something wrong with selling early, but selling early is better than holding forever. But when you align time with price, as you have the 9:30 open manipulation, and then you have the distribution of the macro time frame. I mean, look, right at 9:50, price starts to sell off. It's how it works. Overall, good trade. You're gonna journal it. Gonna keep looking for it. It's just about clean and efficiency price action. I mean, you know you're doing something right is when you enter a trade and it blitzes straight to take profit. You don't want to be in drawdown in trades. You don't ever want to have drawdown. You want to see price move clean and efficiently. Now, if you want to be in my Discord with me when we talk about stuff like this in the morning, we go through ideas, I help people, whatever your questions are, I'm there for you, whatever you need. I'll have my Discord linked in the description. This is a beautiful trade right here. I think that's all I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just comment them below. Want to see any video types, just let me know. You guys have a great day.